Guangdong Hongming Intelligent Joint Stock Company Limited has focused upon providing a wide range of premium box packaging automatic equipment and automatic complete line solutions for the past 21 years, and we have achieved numerous certifications such as CE and ISO Quality Management System certifications. These honors enabled us to gain world-renowned recognition as a trusted manufacturer. The Automatic Intelligent High-Speed Face Mask Machine HMZD175 is a recently developed product based on the call of the country and contributes to the fight against the epidemic. It has the capability to produce the disposable face mask. The system is controlled by electronic servo motor. The real-time raw material conveying has the function of line adjustment and correction to avoid deviation in the production process of raw materials. Tension wheel device is adopted, which can adjust the tensioning of the fabric so as to ensure the beauty and flatness of the finished product. Big roller with diameter of 110 mm to achieve the effect of production stability with slow rotation speed. Cut 2 masks at the same time, greatly improving production efficiency. Adopt 6 ultrasonic waves to ensure that the mask is flat. Synchronous belt and servo control to realize inner ear welding, which is helpful for packaging after finished product.